Assalamualaikum, my name is Maisarah binti Muhammad Shahram. My matric card number is 62211124339. And today I'm going to present my innovation case study analysis on Kahoot. Firstly, about company and current innovation. About Kahoot, Kahoot is a digital learning platform for teachers, students and organizations. It uses games, quizzes and interactive activities to support learning. For its current innovation, Kahoot uses gamified learning to make learning more interactive and engaging. So it provides features such as live quizzes, self-paced learning and interactive learning activities. Kahoot also uses AI-supported content creation to help users create learning materials. So for example, a lecturer can use Kahoot after a lesson to test student understanding in a fun and interactive way. So this Kahoot basic experience is learn, play, answer and see the result. So after that is key problem identified. So firstly, the problem. The problem that Kahoot faces is strong competition. So many edtech platforms now offer interactive quizzes and gamified learnings. For example, students and teachers can also use platforms such as Quizzes, Bluecard, DA and other edtech platforms. So now why does it matter? This is matter because users now have more choice for classroom engagement and will choose the more easy and enjoyable. So if user can get a similar interactive experience from other platforms, Kahoot needs to differentiate its learning experience. Therefore, the main challenge is how can Kahoot turn into engaging quiz experience into a more valuable learning experience. Next is propose innovation solution. To address the problem, I propose a new innovation called Kahoot Mastery. The main idea is to provide a personalized review experience after the live game without interrupting the normal gameplay. So how does it work? During the live game, the game continues normally. Students can still enjoy the competition and answer the question as usual with each other. So at the same time, the system records each student incorrect answer in the background. So therefore, after the game ends, the system filters the question with incorrect response from each student. So at the below from their own screen result, there are two main features in Kahoot Mastery. The first feature is called My Mistake Bank. So it shows only the question that the student got wrong. It also provides short personalized micronotes based on their mistakes. Therefore, students can focus on their own weak areas instead of reviewing questions that they already understand. So this will save students' time. Besides that, the second feature is called Smart Re-Challenge. This is an optional 3 to 5 mini quiz question. It tests the same concept using a different question. For example, if a student gets a question about one concept wrong, the student can first review the short note and then try another question based on the same concept. So the overall process is play, review, retry and improve. So how does Kahoot Mastery solve the problem? Kahoot Mastery goes beyond the usual live quiz experience by giving students personalized learning after the game. Instead of only playing, answering and seeing the final score, students can review their own mistake and practice the same concept again and again. Therefore, this gives Kahoot an additional learning value that can help differentiate it from other edtech platforms. So in simple words, Kahoot is not only helping students play, but also helping them improve from their mistakes. Next, expected impact. For students, Kahoot Mastery allows them to review their weak areas independently. They can focus only on the concept that they got wrong and practice them again and again immediately through the Smart Re-Challenge. So this gives students a more personalized revision experience and may help them retain what they have learned. So for teachers, this system can make revision easier, so students can work on their own weak areas without the teachers having to create separate revision activities for every student. Therefore, teachers can still use the Kahoot game while students receive additional practice after the game. For Kahoot, this innovation can create stronger differentiation from competitors. Instead of only providing learning through the live quiz, Kahoot can provide a greater learning value even after the quiz has ended. So, it is also has the potential to increase user engagement and retention because students have an additional reason to continue using the platform after the live game. Therefore, Kahoot Mastery can help Kahoot turn its engaging quiz experience with a more personalized and continuous learning experience. So that's all for me. Thank you.